Hey traders, welcome to wetradewaves weekly Forex forecast. We really hope all of you had a great trading week. It was amazing for us, and if you followed our analysis last week, you must have made money. Anyway, as usual, we have a lot to cover, so I want all of you to keep watching till the end, even if you follow one or two pairs, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one guys, I really hope all of you remember this forecast. Exactly from here, we knew that market will be going up to break this top, and then the fall. This is exactly what happened. And after this drop, we said guys, we are biased to the upside. DXY will be moving up. Last week, we said guys, this will be moving up from here or under this low. Do you remember that? We've made money in this upwave, and we've made money in this upwave as well. So once market started to go up, we've got in and we took partial profits. Market dropped and then we've got in the buy again. This drop was part of the structure before this upwave. Why? We have a lot of liquidity under these lows. So despite seeing this down wave, the structure haven't changed. And our bias was towards the upside, regardless of this down wave. Do we have a proof for that? Definitely. This was our midweek review email. And those of you who don't know what is our midweek review email, you keep watching till the end, and I'll explain this to you in a moment. Anyway, this was our midweek review email, and we said DXY is bullish. We are looking for 94.2, and this exactly what market did. Amazing, isn't it? Let me clear everything and explain you more because most of you are liking and commenting. This forecast is in front of all of you and it's on our YouTube channel. Anytime you can go and check it. And I suggest all of you to go back to our last week's forecast and check how I covered DXY in details. To make things easier for you, I'll post a link in the description under the video that will take you straight to the DXY forecast of last week. Today, I'll explain you here the thought process of this move. Once market started to go up, we knew that we have a lot of liquidity under these lows. So market went up, all retail traders who were selling here, they are out. And all breakout traders, they got in the buy. Especially above this top. So we've got this down wave, corrective structure, then market makers framework, and then market shoots back up. This is an uptrend for most of retail traders who would like to trade with the trend. So here, a lot of retail traders jumped in the buy, either as buy stop orders or manual entries. For us, we knew that this upwave, it was a trap for this drop. And most likely, market will drop under this low and this low. And this is exactly what market did. Why do you think market will drop under this low? We have a lot of liquidity. This is double bottom and triple bottom formation. This is the most common retail traders pattern. What do you think retail traders will do under this low? A lot of them are out and another group will jump in the sell. Why? They don't want to miss this drop. What happened here? Market went in, everyone is out, and we are going to the upside again. So despite knowing guys where market will be moving next, we said to you, the bias is towards the upside. And our goal is to help you become a better trader. So this is the power of knowledge, understanding market makers' footprints, and retail traders' behavior. Wave analysis is understanding the mass psychology of all market participants. And let me repeat this, from here we knew that market will be going up, then and then up again. So if you remember our forecasts and you are really benefiting from our videos, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'm personally reading every single comment. What next? For this, market has to go down. This down wave, it might be impulsive or corrective. Those of you who are in the buy, you manage your trades, and those of you who are not in, you might be able to look for sell setups. Sell setups might be dangerous. So here we are helping you with the bias. At the moment, we think that the DXY will be moving down before any next wave. Now let me explain you one more thing here. If you are tired from online courses and untrusted mentors and you really want to master wetradewaves concept, give yourself the last chance. If you are really serious, you won't regret it. All of this, guys, is based on our hundreds of members' feedbacks. So all of you who are interested, we are officially accepting payments for our November course. All the details are on our website, course page, where you can see our pictures for the first time since the start of wetradewaves. Everything will be on this page. You can find the link in the description under this video. These are some of our members' testimonials and their success stories with the proof. You can watch all of them, and these are some pictures we have taken from our Slack group. We always say to everyone out there, if you are looking for a decent mentor, do not look at their progress. Look at their students' progress to make the right decision. In this part, you can find all the modules that we will cover in the course. And if you have any questions, read this FAQs. You might find all your answers here in this part. If you still have any more questions, send us an email and one of our team members will get back to you as soon as possible. Euro-dollar for this one, market went down. We've got this down wave. And those of you who are not in our in-depth analysis service, this was one of the trades of the week. Market went down, we've got this up wave again. This up wave was just only to take liquidity above these tops and then this drop. The target for this trade was 1.1550. Now, from here we set correction, one more drop, and then up again. Those of you who get in the buy, you must have made money in this up wave or in this up wave. Not only that, some of our traders get in this sell and get in this buy, and then they sold this drop. So if you really know how to trade correctly, you will be able to make money. Some of our traders get in the buy here, here, and even here. Those who were biased to the upside, and they made money. And those who were following our trades of the week, they sold here and here. Do we have a proof for that? Sure. These are screenshots from our Slack group. And you can see how our traders are following the charts, taking trades, and making money. And this is where we will be happy. If you make money, we are happy for you. And like we always say, analyzing the charts and trading the next wave are two total different stories. So imagine you have the chance to master both of them. Mastering wave analysis and learn how to trade correctly. At the end of the day, it's up to you to take decision. But we don't want you to waste your time and money. This is your hard-earned money. Invest it wisely. Anyway, for your dollar, we hope you made money in this down wave. What next? For this one, the next wave is toward the upside, either as a corrective structure or as an impulsive wave. More details regarding this structure and what might happen next will be explained in details on Sunday session. Guys, Sunday live sessions are part of our in-depth analysis service. Now, what will you get in our in-depth analysis service? Sunday live session with tea. If you cannot attend live, the session will be recorded and recording will be available for 7 days. You will get midweek review analysis via email. In addition to that, you will get trades of the week and trades of the month. So if you are interested, you can subscribe in just few clicks. Pound dollar for this one, we really hope all of you trade pound dollar, get in this sell and this one. If you are a scalper, you must be able to make money in this down wave, in this up move, in this down wave, and in this up wave as well. Because despite our bias to the downside, also we took a buy setup here and we've made money in this up wave. Our sell setups are still active. Anyway, for this one, the bias was towards the downside and we've made money with these waves. Now all of you trade pound dollar, we hope that you made money with us. Remember guys, knowledge is power. And if you are following us in the past few months, you must have learned a lot. Our tips and advices are very important to succeed in Forex trading. If we can do it, you can do it. Now those of you who are new to wetradewaves channel, do not forget our golden rules. Do not jump in, do not overtrade or overrisk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. If you only follow those 4 golden rules, you will never ever break your account. Anyway, coming back to pound dollar. For this one, market went down. What next? An upwave will be coming. This upwave, it might be corrective or impulsive. So all of you get in the sell, you can take partial profits, move the rest to break even, or you manage your trade however you want. One more thing here, if market will shoot up and give us a corrective structure, market might be going up all the way to break this top, and even this one. At the moment, the next wave, we can see it going up correctively. So again, all of you get in the sell, you manage your trades accordingly. If the XY will correct for another push up, this will be correcting upwards for another drop. Alright guys?
Hey, my name's Dave. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I joined wetradewaves 18 months ago, since following them on YouTube 6 months previous to that. I wanted to find somebody that could actually learn me how to trade Forex, and wetradewaves, I can totally recommend them to any person who wants to learn the professional way. We have a community of hundreds of members which look after each other on a daily basis, and Alan and T, who are the business owners, look after everybody and go to the nth degree to make sure that everybody is learning the course and understands and making money at the end of the day. Also, he's led us get into crypto as well. We can actually using the methods into the crypto world as well. So I am so happy to be part of the community. Thank you.
Aussie dollar for this one, market is going up slowly, and this is good. Even if market will be going up one more time to break this top, we will look for our sell setups only. For Aussie dollar, we are biased to the downside. Let me repeat this, even if market will be going up to break this top, it doesn't have to. But if we get an up wave above this top, we will look for sell setups one more time. And this down wave will go at least to break this low and probably lower than that. Dollar yen for this one, last week we said market will be going up. And by the way, this was one of our trades of the week covered in our last Sunday session. So all of you get in the buy, we hope that you made profits with us. After this up wave, market went down. What next? The way market is moving, we do not like it. So all of you get in the buy and made profits here, you stay away. Leave it for now and we'll update you later on. At the moment, we will leave dollar yen and we will focus on other pairs. If we really need to take action, we will look for sell setups only, from current levels or from above the top. Now those of you who are new to wetradewaves channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. New Zealand dollar for this one, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. So all of you get in the sell, you take partial profits, and you move the rest at break even. Why? For this one, we still have a possibility for one more push up and then the drop. If market will pushing up again, we will ignore this up wave and we'll be focusing only on our sell setups. Alright guys? At the moment, we are moving down. If for any reason market will shoot up, we will not buy New Zealand dollar. We will ignore the up wave and we will focus on our sell setups only. Pound yen, for this one, this was also one of the trades of the week covered in our last Sunday session. So market went up from here to 157.50. After that, we've got this drop. Corrective structure, another drop is coming. So all of you who made money here in this up wave, you wait now. After this drop, we can see market pushing up for another drop. This is how we can see market will behave next for pound yen. A lot of you might not understand what I am drawing here, but this will make a lot of sense for those who knows wave analysis and for our members. Last week, this was the trade to the upside. Next trade might be to the downside. Before that, we have to wait our patterns, our setups, and our strategies. Remember, bigger picture for yen pairs is towards the downside. But because a lot are watching our videos, we are trying to help you if you are a scalper, swing trader, or even a position trader. Alright? Yes, oil for this one, you know we are biased to the downside. And we said last week, every new high will be the potential last high before the drop. Right? So this was the last high. Market went in, it gave us a pullback, it went back down. A lot of our members who trade US oil made money in this down wave, and we hope you also made money. Even if this will be pushing up to break this top again, we will look for sell setups only. US oil has to drop. This is causing inflation in some countries, and this has to drop. Forget about the supply and the manipulation. US oil has to drop, either from current levels or from above the top. And just to remind you, we said look for setups between 84 and 86 levels. On Sunday session, we were more precise and we said from 85 levels. And I hope all of you can see this. Alright? If you remember this forecast and what we said regarding US oil, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And I want to take a moment, guys, to say big thank you for those who are liking and commenting every single week. Your supportive comments and likes are pushing us to be here every single week to support you with our bias and our tips. Gold, for this one, guys, we really hope all of you who trade gold get in the sell and are making money. If so, let us know in the comment section. We know a lot of you trade gold, and this was a clear setup and clear down wave. What happened here? It was manipulation. We've got this drop, this corrective structure, another drop. This is also one more forecast, and we really hope you made money. Let me explain you one thing here. Our goal is to help you become a better trader. For us, we are making money from trading, and if we can do it, you can do it. I'm repeating this because I want you to believe in you. If you really have the passion and you work hard and smart for it, you will succeed. Working hard is not enough. You have to work hard and smart for it. The success stories of our members are amazing, and we are proud of every single one of them. If the XY will correct downwards, gold will be correcting upwards. So the next wave for gold is towards the upside, either correctively or impulsively. At the moment, all of you must be in profits. More details regarding this structure will be explained on Sunday session. Dollar CAD, for this one, this was amazing. Market dropped, we said last week corrective structure for another drop. This is exactly what market did. And also T mentioned about this drop before the news and this up wave after the news. Our Sunday session members must remember that. What next? Looks like this correcting upwards for another drop. So let's see if market will give us this down wave or not. If you know how to trade it and you want to go for this drop, you go for it. If not, you can leave it. Silver, for this one, we said market will drop, we've got this down wave. So, if you are in the sell, you manage your trades. Almost all the pairs went as expected. Even October was a mess and the structure was misbehaving, we made money. For this one, we think that market will correct upwards for another drop. At the moment, you focus on this up wave. Bitcoin, for this one, this was an amazing up wave. Market went in. Last week on Sunday session we were here and we said market will be going up to 64. This exactly what market did. After this up wave, we've got this drop. What next? Looks like market is pushing to the upside for another drop. At the moment, we can see it going up and then we will update you. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.